The topic that we are going to look today is logarithms part 1. So in this part we will be covering on the basic concepts of logarithm and then the simple problems following to that. The main formula in logarithm is log ax is equal to m. So how to solve it? Simplifying is nothing but you take a here, a becomes the base and m becomes the power which is equal to x. So this a goes here, m becomes the power and we are equating it to x. So what are the problems following that? So they will give you 3, 4 is equal to 81. So now we have to showcase that in log. So how do we do it? Log 81, 3 is equal to 4. So which is nothing but, now if you substitute in this formula you will see. So 3 power 4 is nothing but 81. 3 power 4 is nothing but 81. So how we will write this? Log 81 to the base 3 is equal to 4. Similarly, now we are going to represent this. So how are we going to represent this? Log, put the 1000 next to it, then the 10 comes in the base equal to 3. So how to recheck it? 10 power 3 is equal to 1000. So which is similar to a power m is equal to x. What are the simple other formulas which you should be aware of while solving the logarithm sums? Log a into xy, which is nothing but this multiplication becomes an addition here. So log a x plus log a y. Similarly, log a x by y becomes, this division becomes a minus here. So log a x minus log a y. And similarly, log 1 to the base a is equal to 0. And here we know that this n which is in the power can be moved here. So that can be written as n log x to the base a. So let's solve a couple of simple sums to understand this concept better. So the first sum that they have given is log 1 by 343 to the base 7. So how is 1 by 343 can be written? 343 is nothing but 7 power cube. So 1 by 7 cube. So this can be taken on the top like 7 power minus 3. Now both of these are same. So the value of x is nothing but minus 3. So once you simplify, log 1 by 343 to the base 7 is nothing but the value minus 3. Let's solve another sum. So they have given log 0.01 to the base 100. So how can 0.01 be written? 1 by 100. So 100 if it goes on the top, log 100 power minus 1. So the value is minus 1. So once you solve log 0.01 to the base 100, the value is nothing but minus 1. So the next sum is very simple. It's a direct sum. As you know, log x to the base x is equal to 1. Both the values should be same. Then the value is equal to 1. So both are same here. So value is nothing but 1 here. So let's solve a couple of other sums. So the next question that I have asked is log x to the base root 8 is equal to 10 by 3. Find the value of x. So as usual, what we are going to do? Root 8 to the power 10 by 3 is equal to x. So how root 8 can be written? 8 power 1 by 2 to the whole power 10 by 3 equal to x. How can 8 be written? 8 is nothing but 2 power 3. We already have 1 by 2, nothing but 3 by 2 to the whole of 10 by 3 is equal to x. Now these can be multiplied. So 2 power 3 by 2 into 10 by 3. So x is equal to 2 power 5, which is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 32. So the value of x is nothing but 32. So let's solve this another sum. So they have given log 75 by 16 minus 2 log 5 by 9 plus log 32 by 243. We have to simplify it. So how this 2 log 5 by 9 can be rewritten? So write the other things as such. 75 by 16. This can be written as log 5 by 9 the whole square plus log 32 by 243. So 5 square is 25 and 9 square is 81. So all these things can be clubbed together. Like we know that whatever is we are adding can be multiplied. So 75 into 16 into 32 by 243. As this is in a negative form, we know we have to take the reversal of it, which is nothing but 81 by 25. So once you cancel it, 3, 2, 3, 2. Okay. So the value that log 75 by 16 minus 2 log 5 by 9 plus log 32 by 243 can be simplified to log 2. So what did we do in this case? So as such we wrote the first and the last part of the question. Here the 2 log 5 by 9 can be written as log 5 by 9 the whole square. So whole square is nothing but 25 by 81. As we explained in the basic concepts that whatever is to be added is to be multiplied and whichever is in negative to be divided. That's what we have done here. So we have taken log in common. Both of things are in addition, so as such we are writing it by multiplying it. Here the case is in negative, so what we do, we take the reversal of it because we are dividing it. So hence it becomes 81 by 25. Once you solve it, it becomes log 2. So in the first part of the logarithm, we saw the basic concepts and as well as the problems followed by it. The topic that we are going to look today is logarithms part 2. So in the previous part of logarithms, we dealt with the basic concept of it and as well as we solve some simple problems. Today we are going to look on to the simplify the following type of problems. This is a very common type of problems that you can face in logarithms. So generally how this problem comes is that they will mention it as simplify the following and there will be 3 or 4 questions followed to it and there will be 1 mark allocated to each of it. So let's get started. So the question that they have given is log 3 to the base 10 plus log 4x plus 1 to the base 10 is equal to log x plus 1 to the base 10 plus 1. So here we have to find the value of x. So let's see how we can do it. So log 3 to the base 10 plus log 4x plus 1 to the base 10 is equal to log x plus 1 to the base 10. So how can 1 be written? 1 can also be written as log 10 to the base 10 so that it matches with the rest of it. As you can see that the log 10 base is common throughout. Let's just, instead of plus, we can multiply it here as per our basic concept. So log 10 3 into 4x plus 1 is equal to log 10 x plus 1 into 10. So let's just remove log on both sides. So 3 into 4x plus 1 is equal to 10 into x plus 1, which can be simplified as 12x plus 3 is equal to 10x plus 10. So take x to one side. So 2x is equal to 10 minus 3 is 7. So x is equal to 7 by 2. So let's go to the another sum. So the next question that they have given is 1 divided by log xyz to the base xy plus 1 by log xyz to the base yz plus 1 by log xyz to the base x. So as we know, the prime rule in log is to make sure all the bases are same. So that's what we are going to do. So once we take the denominator to the numerator, we can see that xyz will become the common base. So let's just do that. Log xy to xyz. So why is it like this? So we have seen it in our first video that if it's in inverse, when we take it above, the base and this place exchanges. So that's why it is like that. So let's do the same for others. yz xyz plus log zx xyz. So as you can see, the bases are common here. So what do? Log xyz xy into yz into zx. Yeah, how this can be written as log xyz x into y into z, the whole square. So this can be rewritten as, the power can be taken here. So 2 log xyz to the base xyz. So this is nothing but 1. So 2 into 1 is equal to 2. So once we simplify the problem that they have given, the answer that we arrive at is 2. So let's go to another problem. The next question that they have given is log AB square to the base A minus log AC to the base A plus log AB C power 4 to the base A minus 3 log BC to the base A. So we have to simplify this. First what we're going to do is that, so 3 log BC to the base A, so we're going to take 3 over the power of BC. So it can be rewritten as log AB square to the base A minus log AC to the base A plus log ABC power 4 to the base A minus log A BC, the whole power cube is nothing but B cube and C cube. So as we know that all the plus sign will be multiplied and the minus sign will be divided. So that's what we are going to do, as we have the common basis as log a. So log a, so whichever has a plus sign, this one and this one. So it goes in the numerator, ab square into ab c power 4 by, these two have the negative sign, so we take ac into b cube to c cube. So c power 4 gets cancelled, b cube get cancelled, a get cancelled. So what do we get here? Log a to the base a, which is nothing but 1. In today's video, we dealt with the problems which comes under the simplify the following type. So similarly, if you see, these are the types of problem that you can face. The same problem can be interchanged and given. So what you have to do is that we have to simplify it and make sure we get to the nearest to smallest digit that you can get in logarithms. The topic that we are going to look today is logarithms. In the previous videos, we dealt with the different types of problems in logarithms. The topic that we are going to look today in logarithms is find the value of sums. So generally in this types of sums, they will give you the value of log 2 or log 3, and then in the question you have to incorporate that in order to find the answer. So let's get started. The first question they have asked is find the value of log 50. They have given you the value of log 2, which is nothing but 0.3010. Okay, so let's write the question. So log 50 10. So this has to be rewritten in such a form that we have to use this value. So how 50 can be rewritten? It can be written as log 100 by 2. So this is division is nothing but a subtraction in log format. So log 10 100 minus log 2 to the base 10. So this can be rewritten as 10 square. So this 2 can be taken in the front. So it becomes 2 log 10 to the base 10 minus log 2 to the base 10. So log 10 to the base 10 is nothing but 1. So 2 minus log 2 value is 0.3010. So now we have to subtract it and get the value. 0, 9, 9, 6, 1. So the value is 1.699. So once you solve log 50, the value that you are attaining is 1.699. To understand this concept better, let's solve some more problems. So the next question that they have given is, they have given the value of log 2 and log 3. So they are asking you to find the value of log 4.5. So let's write the question, log 4.5. So this can be rewritten as log 9 by 2, which can be written as log 9 minus log 2. Log 9 is nothing but 3 square. So it becomes 2 log 3 minus log 2. Log 3 value is 0.471. 2 into 0.4771 minus log 2 value is 0.3010. So multiply this, 0.4771 into 2, 2, 4, 5, 4 to the 8, 9, 0.9542 minus 0.3010, 2, 3, 5, 6. So the value of log 4.5 is nothing but 0.6532. Let's go to the next sum. So the next question that they have given is log 25. So how this can be rewritten? Log 100 by 4, which can be rewritten as log 100 minus log 4. So this can be written as 10 square and 2 log 10 by 10 minus, this can be written as 2 square. So 2 log 2. So we know the value of log 2 is nothing but 0.3010. And the value of log 10 to the base 10 is 1. So 2 into 1 minus 2 into 0.3010. So 0.3010 into 2, 0, 2, 0, 6. So which is nothing but 2 minus 0.6020. So we are subtracting 2 minus 0.6020. So 0, 8 here, 9, 3, 1. So the answer is 1.3980. So once you solve log 25, the value that you are attaining here is 1.3980. So the small tip is that always know the value of log 2 and log 3, because once you simplify, they will always give in a way that a log 2 or log 3 value can be used. Instead of knowing any tedious method, if you know these two values, you can easily solve the problem. Let's go to the another sum. So the next type of problem that we are going to look in logarithms is find the number of digits. This is a very common problem you can face in the aptitude exam. Let's see how we can solve it. So, they have given the question as if log 2 is equal to 0.3010, find the number of digits in 2 power 56. So, before going to solve the sum, I just going to explain your concept. Let's say if there is a value given 1.3656, so this part is called as characteristics and this point is called as mantissa. So if you see a question where they are talking about mantissa and characteristics, this is what they mean. So now let's go to the problem. So the question that they have given is 2 power 56. So how 2 power 56 can be rewritten? Can be written as 56 log 2. Log 2 value is nothing but 0.3010 into 56. 0, 6, 0, 18 plus 0, 5, 0, 15, 0, 6, 5, 8, 16, 4 points, which is nothing but 16.856. So what are they asking you to find? They are asking you to find the number of digits. How we find the number of digits? It's always the characteristics plus 1. So 16 is the value we find in the characteristics of the given number plus 1. So the number of digits is nothing but 17. So what we did here, we solved the given question. So we found the answer. We take the characteristic value plus 1 will give you the number of digits in the given question. The topic that we are going to look today is logarithms. So let's get started. The first question is, if log y to the base x is equal to 100 and log x to the base 2 is equal to 10, find the value of y. So in order to find in this, we should either know the value of x here. So first let's take this equation. So log x to the base 2 is equal to 10, which can be written as x is equal to 2 power 10. So now we know the value of x. So let's take the next equation. Log y to the base x is equal to 100, which can be written as y is equal to x power 100. We know the value of x. X is nothing but 2 power 10. So it becomes 2 power 10 the power of 100. We know that these can be multiplied together. So it becomes 2 into the power of 1000. It's a very simple sum. Let's go to the next sum. So the next question that they have given is if log 7 to the base 10 is equal to a, then log 1 by 70 to the base 10 is equal to what? They have given 4 multiple choice questions for it. So let's get started. So what they have given? Log 1 by 70 to the base 10. So this can be rewritten as log 1 to the base 10 minus log 70 to the base 10. So we know that log 1 is nothing but 0. So let's ignore that. So it becomes minus log 70 to the base 10. So this can be rewritten as minus log 10 into 7 into 10, which can be written again as minus of log 7 to the base 10 plus log 10 to the base 10. So now we have to go back and check in what answer it actually matches. So we have minus here. This can be written as 1. So it becomes 1 plus log 7 to the base 10. We know that log 7 to the base 10 is nothing but a. So it can be written as minus 1 plus a. So our answer is nothing but the a option, which is nothing but minus of 1 plus a. So what did we do here? We slowly solved it and we got into an equation where we can actually substitute the value of a here. So once we did that, we can match it with the multiple choice that they have given in the question. You can face a similar type of problems in logs. All you have to do is simplify it to an equation where you can match it with the value that they have given in the question. Let's go to the next problem. So in the next problem, they have given you an equation and equated to 1 by 2 and they are asking you to find the value of x. Though the equation is very huge, you have to solve it very slowly such that you can find the value of x. Let's get started. So first step, what we're going to do, we can take 9 over there. So this becomes log 2 into, write the equation as such now, log 3, 1 plus 2 log 2x equal to 9 power 1 by 2, which can be written as 3 square 1 by 2. These get cancelled and it becomes 3. So your left hand side you have this and your right hand side becomes 3. So what do we do here? It has 3 here and 3 on your right hand side. This can be cancelled. It becomes, now you can write the equation again as it becomes log 2 1 plus log 3 to 1 plus 2 log x to the base 2, which is equal to 1. So again we are going to do the similar step. Remove the log. 1 plus log 3 1 plus 2 log x to the base 2. 2 goes there. 2 power 1 is nothing but 2. We have a 1 over here. We take that 1 there. So it becomes 2 minus 1, 1. I am removing the 1 here. This becomes 2 minus 1, which is equal to 1. So what we have here? Log 3 1 plus 2 log 2x equal to 1. Doing the same thing, we are removing the log here. So the equation becomes 1 plus 2 log x to the base 2 is equal to 3. Take the 1 over there, it becomes 3 minus 1, 2. So what are going to become? 2 log x to the base 2 equal to 2. So 2 gets cancelled. So you know that x is equal to 2. In these kind of problem, there is no shortcuts. All you have to do is that go step by step and solve it slowly so that you can reduce this huge equation into a very small equation which can help you to find the value of x. So if you are a person who is looking for a job, kindly register in our freshersworld.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.